We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Epson ET4760 printer, and we're going to show you how to run a printhead cleaning cycle. So the reason we're going to show you how to do that is we've been noticing that we've been getting some kind of off colors and some smudges on our pages that I'm not too happy with, and it's a good indication that our printhead can use some cleaning. So it's a very simple thing to do. What you're going to want to do is go to your control panel, and you're going to want to swipe to the right, and you're going to want to look for your maintenance option. Click on the maintenance button and go down to the second option, which is going to be printhead cleaning. Click that, and then it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to run a printhead cleaning? Go down to the bottom here and hit start. So now this is going to take a few minutes. Let the printer run its program, and then it's going to bring up a screen once it's done and let you know that it's done doing its printhead cleaning. And then we can take a look at it after that. So we're going to give the printer a few minutes and we'll be right back and kind of show you what we're working with. Okay, so now our printhead cycle is finished running its program. So another screen is going to come up telling us that it's completed that cycle, and it's going to give us two options. It's going to ask you, do you want to check and see the quality, or do you want to just ignore it and let it go? So in my case, I always like to check it and make sure I'm happy with the results. So we're going to click on the option on the right hand side, which is check, and tell it to go ahead and print. So this is going to give us just a kind of good example page that we can look at, make sure we're happy with the results, we don't see any issues with it, or any other reason to run another printhead cycle. And so we'll let this print out and we'll take a look at what it looks like. Okay, so now that it's printed out our test page, up here at the top left hand corner, you're going to see all these little color blocks. So we notice right off the bat that all of our black looks like it's a nice, even, clean box. There's no breaks in any of the lines. The same can be said for our yellow, magenta, and cyan. I don't see any breaks or any smudges. Everything looks good and clean. So if you look back at the screen, it's going to give you two options here. On the left, it's going to show you these little patterns here that are on your printout page. It's asking, do you see any breaks in the lines? Or on the right, it's going to ask you, is everything all nice, straight, clean? There's no gaps anywhere. And you're going to want to select whichever option you're seeing. So in this case, everything looks good and clean to me. So I'm going to click the option on the right, which is everything looks completely filled out. Although, if you're seeing any gaps or anything, make sure you click the option on the left, and that way you can continue the printhead cleaning program. So we're going to, like I said, click the option on the right. That's going to complete our printhead cleaning cycle. Again, I'm very happy with the results. It took care of all the issues that I was having. I hope this answered a few questions for you. If you have any other questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help to provide you with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.